Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have solved the examples from 8 to 11 of the chapter Arithmetic Progression of exercise 1.2. Today we are going to solve the remaining questions, that is from 12 to 18.
Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? So what does the question says here? It says that there are two APs and these two APs have the same common difference. Okay, and the difference between their 100th term is 100. Then if it is so, then what we have to find? Then we have to find the difference between their 1000 term. Okay. So let us take these two APs. So let A1, A2 and so on up to AN be the first AP. Okay. Let us assume like this. Next let A2, B1, B2 and so on up to B and B the second AP. Okay. So after that, what is given? Given 100 is the common difference between that 100th term, right? 100 is the common difference between these two APs. Okay. So 100 is the common difference between these two APs, means this AP and this AP. The difference is what? 100. That is, this AP minus this AP is 100. So let us take this AP as A100 because it is named as 100th term. Therefore, we have to take A100th term and this from this AP B100th term, and the difference is what? 100. Therefore, it will be A100 minus B100 equal to 100 because it is given in the question. So let us solve this using the general form of AP formula. So what is A100? A100 is A plus 99D, right? What is B100? B100 is also A plus 99D, right? If you don't remember this, then let me tell you using An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D formula. So in place of An, we have to substitute A100. So this will be A plus, in place of N we have 100. This is 100 minus 1 into D. So A100 equal to A plus 100 minus 1 is 99D. Like that, B100 is also B plus, here it is B plus 99D. So in place of A, what we have first term? We have A1. Therefore, we have to substitute here A1. Okay. So, if you take this one AP, then in place of first term, you have to substitute B1. Okay. So, this will be A1 plus 99D because A1 we have taken as the first term here. Therefore, it is A1 plus 99D minus B1 plus 99D, which is equal to 100. Okay. So let us simplify this first. So this will be A1 plus 99D minus B1 plus into minus is minus 99D, which is equal to 100. Therefore here plus 99D and minus 99D get cancels. So we left with A1 minus B1 equal to 100. We got the difference as A1 minus B1. If it is so, then what we have to find? We have to find the difference between the 1000 term. So what is the difference between this 1000 term? As we have taken here A100 minus B100, like this we have to take A1000 minus B1000. Okay, because it is given in the question. We have to find the difference between that 1000 term. Therefore, A1000 minus B1000 is what? We have to find this. So, this will be what? A1 plus 999D, right? A1000 is this one. Okay, so A1000 is A1 plus 999D. 1 means the first term. Okay. Therefore, it is A1. A1 plus 99D minus B1 plus 999D. Okay. So, let us simplify this one. Minus B1 plus into minus is minus 999D. So, here plus 999D and minus 999D get cancelled. So, we left with A1 minus B1. So, what is A1 minus B1? So, from this A1 minus B1, it is 100. Therefore, A1000 minus B1000 is 100. Okay. So, therefore, the difference between that 1000 term is 100 only. So, first we have to write down the two APs. That is A1, A2 and so on up to AN. That is the first AP and this second AP. After this, we have to find the difference between these two APs. That is, it is given as 100. So, we have to solve this. After solving this, we get A1 minus B1 equal to 100. So, after this, we have to find the difference between that 1000 term. So, 1000 term is A1000 minus B1000. After substituting all the formulae, we will get A1 minus B1. So, from this equation number 1, got A1 minus B1 as 100. So, we have to substitute A1000 minus B1000 is equal to 100. This is the required answer. 13th question is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? What does the question says? The question says that there is a 3-digit numbers which is divisible by 7. We have to find how many are these 3-digit numbers which is divisible by 7. So, in order to find that, first we have to find the 3-digit numbers which is divisible by 7. So, minimum 2-digit number is 99. So, after 99, 100. 100 is the 3-digit number. So, 100 is the next 3-digit number. Okay. So, what is the maximum 3-digit number? So, the maximum 3-digit number is 999. After 999, number is 1000. It is a 4-digit number. So, the maximum 3-digit number is 999 and the minimum 2-digit number is 99. Okay. So, in between this 100 and 999, we have to find a number which is divisible by 7. So, let us write these 3-digit numbers. So, this will be 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106 and so on up to 999. This will be okay. So, we have to find the number between this which is divisible by 7. Whether 100 is divisible by 7? No. Why? Because already I have explained the divisibility of a number by 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 12. If you haven't checked that video, then the link will be given in the I button or else it will be provided in the description box below. Please check out. For finding the divisibility by 7, first we have to multiply the last digit of a number by 2. So, after multiplying that, the answer should be subtracted in the remaining 2 digits. After subtraction, if the answer is 0 or it is a multiple of 7, then we can say that the number is divisible by 7. So, let us check this 100. So, we have to multiply the last term by 2. So, this will be what? 0 into 2 is 0 only. So, here we have 10. 10 minus 0 is 10 only. So, whether it is divisible by 7? No, it is not divisible by 7. Therefore, 101, it is also not divisible. It is also not divisible. 103, it is also not divisible. 104, let us check this one. So, the last digit we have to multiply by 2. So, this will be 8. For the remaining 2 digit, we have to subtract this 8 in this digit. So, 10 minus 8 is 2 only. So, it is 2 is, it is not 0 or it is not divisible by 7. Therefore, it is the whole number is not divisible by 7. So, let us check 105. So, 5 into 2 is 10. So, we have to subtract this 10 in this remaining 2 digits. That is 10 minus 10 is 0. So, If the answer is 0 or it is a multiple of 7, then we can say that the number is divisible by 7. So here 105. As we got 0, therefore 105 will be divisible by 7. So therefore let us write the number divisible by 7. So it starts with 105. 105. Next number is 106. So if you add 7 to 105, then we will get the next divisible number. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 112. So next number is 112. Again to 112 we have to add 7. So 7 plus 2 is, it is 9. This will be 11. So the next number is 119. Okay. So this will be up to 999. So whether 999 is divisible by 7? So let us check. 9 into 2 is 18. We have to subtract 18 in this remaining 2 digits. So 99 minus 18. So what is 9 minus 8? It is 1. 9 minus 1 is 7. Whether 71 comes in the 7th table? No. So therefore 999 is not divisible by 7. So let us take 995. 995. So to the last digit we have to multiply by 2. This will be 10. So the remaining digit we have to subtract 10. So this will be what? 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So 89 doesn't come in 7th table. Therefore it is also not divisible by 7. So let us take 994. Let us multiply the last digit by 2. So this will be 8. So we have to subtract this 8 from this 99. Okay. So let us subtract. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So this is what? 9. So 91. Whether 91 comes in the 7th table? So to this last number we have to multiply it by 2. So this will be 2. So in 91 we have to subtract. To the remaining digit we have to subtract this 2. So this will be what? 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 is a multiple of 7 only. Therefore we can say that 994 is divisible by 7. Therefore it is the last digit, which is last 3 digit, which is divisible by 7. So this will become the AP of this question. So let us note it by A1, A2, A3 and so on up to this will be AN. Okay. So what is A here? A is the first number, that is 105. D is A2 minus A1. What is A2? 112 minus 105, which will be 7. What we have to find? We have to find N, because we have to find how many, because they have asked how many 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7. Therefore we have to find N only. Okay. So using this AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, we can find N. So let us substitute all the values. So what is AN? AN is 994, which is equal to, what is A? A is 105 plus N we have to find. So let it be as it is. What is D? D is 7. So this will be, after shifting to the left hand side, this will be minus 994 minus 105 equal to. So let us simplify this bracket. So this will be, so 7 we have to multiply to the first term and then we have to multiply to the second term. So 7 into n is 7n minus 7 into 1 is 7 only. So 994 minus 105. So what is 14 minus 5? 14 minus 5 is 9. So we left with the 8 here. So this will be 8. 9 minus 1 is 8 only. So this will be 889. Let us take this minus 7 to the left hand side. So this will be plus 7. We left with 7n. So what is 889 plus 7? So this will be 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this will be 896, which is equal to 7n. Okay. So let us take this 7 to the left hand side. So this will be 896 divided by 7, which is equal to n. So this is 7 ones are 7, 128. Therefore n is equal to 128. Therefore we can say that 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. 14th question is, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So here also we have to find n, but here given that the multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So first we have to find the multiples of 4 which lie between 10 and 250. Therefore, multiples of 4 which lie between 10 and 250 are, so that will become AP. Okay. So multiple of 4 between 10 and 250. So in between 10 and 250 means it will be 10 starting from 10 to 250. So whether 10 is divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4. 11, whether it is divisible by 4? No. 12, whether it is divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. So next, let us write the multiple of table 4. Okay. So 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay. And so on up to. So here the last number is 250. Whether 250 is divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4. Whether 249 is divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4 because here the last 2 digits are not divisible by 4. So whether 248 is divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4 because here the last digit is 48. So 48 is divisible by 4. Therefore, we can say that the last number will be 248, which is divisible by 4. Now we have to find here n. Okay. So let us denote it by A1, A2, A3 and so on up to an. So here A is 12 and D is A2 minus A1. What is A2? 16 minus 12, which is 4, and An is 248, and what we have to find? We have to find n. Using this An formula, we can find the n value. Okay. So what is An? An is 248, which is equal to, what is A? A is 12 plus n we have to find. Let it be as it is. What is D? D is 4. So we have to simplify this. So 248 minus 12 equal to n minus 1 into 4. So what is 248 minus 12? It is 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we will left with 2. Okay. So let us take this 4 to the left hand side. After shifting to the left hand side, this will be division. Okay. So we left with n minus 1. So 4 1s are 4 5s are 20, carry is 3. So this will be 4 8s are, that is 4 1s are 4 58s are. Okay. So next we left with 58. So let us take this minus 1 to the left hand side. So this will be plus 1, which is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 58 plus 1 is 59. Therefore 59 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. 15th question is, for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and so on, and 3, 10, 7 and so on are equal. So what does the question says? So the question says that there are two APs, this one and this one. So for what value of n, the nth value of these two APs are equal. Therefore here we have to find n. So first let us write this given APs. So given first AP as, that is, let us take A1. So first AP is 63, 65, 67 and so on up to AN, that is AN. Okay. Second AP is 3, 10, 7 and so on. So let us take it as AN dash. So from this AP, what is A value? A value is 63 and D value is A2 minus A1. So what is A2 here? 65 minus 63. So what is 65 minus 63? That is 2. Okay. From this AP, what is A? A value is 3 and D value is 10 minus 3. Second, A2 minus A1, that is 7. Okay. So given that for what value of n? So n means, so for this what value of n, this nth term of two APs are equal. So here the nth term are an and this AP's nth term is we have taken as an dash. So for this value, for what value of n, these two APs are equal, they have asked. Therefore using this given condition we can find n. So let us substitute all the values in this an and an dash formula. So let us write first this an formula. So an formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So here it is also a plus n minus 1 into d only. So what is a here? From this AP it is 63, right? Plus what is n? N we have to find. So let it be as it is. From this AP what is d? D is 2. So from the second AP what is a value? A value is 3 plus n we have to find. Let it be as it is. So what is d value here? It is 7. So let us simplify this. Okay. So 63 plus, let us multiply this 2 to this first term and then to this second term. Okay. So 2 into n is 2n. Sign as it is, that is minus. 2 into 1 is 2, which is equal to 3 plus. So let us multiply this 7 to the first term and then 7 to the second term. So 7 into n is 7n. Sign as it is, minus 7 into 1 is 7. Okay. So let us solve this. What is 63 minus 2? 63 minus 2 is 61. So we left with 2n, which is equal to, what is 3 minus 7? So what is 3 minus 7? Minus 5. We left with 7n. It's a minus 4. Okay. Minus 4. So let us take this number term one side and this nth term one side. Okay. So let us take this minus 4 to the left hand side. So here we have 61 plus 4. So let us take this 2n to the right hand side. So here we have 7n. So let us take this to the right hand side. This will be minus 2n. So what is 61 plus 4? It is 65. What is 7n minus 2n? It is 5n. So after shifting this 5 to the left hand side, as it is a multiplication, this will become a division. Okay. That is 65 divided by 5. So 5 ones are, here 5 ones are, 5 threes are. That is n is equal to 13. Therefore, n is equal to 13. The nth term of two APs, two given APs are equal. 16th question is, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So what is given? So given we have to find the AP. Okay, so we have to find AP means A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. We have to find that AP. Okay, in this third term is 16, given that A3 is 16 and the seventh term, that is A7, exceeds the fifth term, that is A5 by 12. A7 exceeds A5 by 12 means the difference between this A7 and A5 is 12, or we can take that A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Here exceeds the fifth term means this A7 term is 12 times more than this A5 term. Therefore, we have to take the difference between A7 minus A5, or else we can take A7 is equal to A5 plus A12. We can take any of this one. Okay, so let us take this one. Okay, so what is given? Let us write. Given, what is given? Third term, that is A3 equal to 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12 means A7 minus A5 equal to 12, or else A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. This also we can take. Okay. Next, what we have to find? We have to find this AP, that is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Okay. So using this condition, we can find these terms. So to find these terms, we have to find A and D. So using this condition, we can find A and D. So let us take this one. A7 minus A5 equal to 12. So what is A7? General form of this one, it is A plus 6D minus, as we have minus here, let us put a bracket here. So what is A5? A5 is A plus 4D, which is equal to 12. Okay, so let us simplify this one. So this will be A plus 6D minus A, plus into minus is minus 4D, which is equal to 12. Okay, so here plus A minus A get cancels. So 6D minus 4D. So what is 6D minus 4D? It is 2D, which is equal to 12. So what is D? D is 12 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So therefore D is 6. So using this A3 we can find A. So what is A3? A3 is equal to A plus 2D, right? So what is A we have to find. Okay. So A3 is 16. 2 into what is D? D is 6. So 16 equal to A plus 2 into 6 is 12. So let us take this 12 to the left hand side. So this will be minus 12. 16 minus 12 equal to A. So what is 16 minus 12? It is 4 equal to A. Therefore A is 4, right? Now we can find this A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Therefore, what is A1? So A1 is A only, that is 4. What is A2? A2 is A plus 2D. What is A? A is 4 plus 2 into D. D is 6. So which will be 4 plus 6 into 2 is 12. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So what is A3? A3 is already given, that is 16. So what is A4? A4 is A plus 3D. So what is A? A is 4 plus 3 into what is D? It is 6. So which is equal to 4 plus 3 6 are 18. So 18 plus 4 is 22. Okay. Therefore, APs are, what is A? A1 4, A2 is 16. So here A2 is A plus D only. Okay. Sorry for this. So this will be 4 plus 6 is 10. So 4 plus 6 is, this is 6. So this will be 10. Therefore, A2 is 10, A3 is 16, A4 is 22. 17th question is find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on up to 253. So what does the question says here? So it says that we have to find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So here from this AP the last term is 253. So starting from this 253 we have to find the next 820th term. It means that this 253 will become the first term for this 820. So for this we need A and D. So as it will become a first term, this will be A. What is D? D we have to find using this AP because the difference will be same in throughout the AP series, whether it is A20, A50 and so on up to AN. The D will be same here. So let us write this given AP. So given AP is 3, 8, 13 and so on up to 253. So here what is D? D is A2 minus A1. So what is A2? 8 minus 3. So which will be 5. So here D is 5. So the last term of the AP is 253, right? So starting from this AP, starting from this the last term, that is 253, we have to find the next term. So here the next term is what? 253 plus D is what? 5. 253 plus 5. So this will be 825. So this will be 8. Next 25, that is 258. So the next term is 258. Again the next term will, so we have to add the difference 5. So which will be 8 plus 5 is 13. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 as it is. So the next term is 263 and so on up to this will become A1, A2, A3 and so on up to we have to find 820th term here. So for this here A will be the first term, that is 253. So here A will be this term, that is 253. D is A2 minus A1, that is 5 only because already we have found here throughout the AP the difference will be same. Okay. So here we have to find 820, right? So using this AN formula we can find 820th. So what is we have to find? 820. Let us substitute 820 equal to what is A? A is 253 plus what is N? Here in place of N we have 20. Therefore N is 20 minus 1 into D. What is D? D is 5. So which is 253 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 5. So 253 plus 19 into 5 is, yes, it is 95. So what is 253 plus 95? 3 plus 5 is 8. 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 348. Therefore, A2 is 348. Therefore, the 20th term is 348 starting from the last term of this AP. Okay. 18th question is the sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So what is given in the question? Given that the sum of the 4th and 8th term, here sum means we have to add. Okay, we have to add. So given the 4th term, that is A4 and A8 is 24. It means that A4 sum means we have to add. Therefore A4 plus A8 is 24. Given A4 plus A8 equal to 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th term, here sum means we have to add. Here the sum of 6th means A6 and A10 sum means we have to add, which is equal to 44. And find the first 3 terms of an AP. First 3 terms means A1, A2, A3 we have to find, right? So using this given data only, we have to find A1, A2 and A3. So let us solve these given conditions first. So what is A4? General form of AP? Yes, it is A plus 3D plus. What is A8? It is A plus 7D, which is equal to 24. So let us simplify this. So what is A plus A? We have now here we have to add the similar terms. So here the similar terms are A and A. Okay. So what is 1A plus 1A? It is 2A, right? So we left with 3D and 7D. So what is 3D plus 7D? It is 10D, which is equal to 24, right? So let us denote it by equation number 1. So from this condition, what is A6? A6 is A plus 5D, right? Plus what is A10? Good. It is A plus 9D, which is equal to 24. Here we have to add the similar terms first. So what is 1A plus 1A? It is 2A. We left with 5D and 9D, right? So what is 5D plus 9D? It is 5 plus 9. It is 14. That is 14D equal to 44. So let us denote it by equation number 2. So here we got two equations. So from these two equations, we can get A and D value, because here we have to find A2 and A3. So for A2 and A3, we need A and D. Therefore, we have to solve these two equations by elimination method. So solving equation 1 and equation 2. So let us take equation 2 minus equation 1. So what is equation 2? It is 2A plus 14D equal to 44. What is equation 1? It is 2A plus 10D equal to 24. So here we have to change the sign here. So this plus is minus, this plus will be minus, this plus will be minus only. Okay. What is 2A minus 2A? It is 0 only. Okay. Next 14D minus 10D. It is 4D, which is equal to, what is 44 minus 24? It is 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 20. Okay. Therefore, D is equal to, after shifting this 4 to the right hand side, this will become division. So 4 ones are 4 5s. Therefore D is 5. So we have to substitute this D value in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So I will substitute in equation number 1. So from 1, what is equation 1? 2A plus 10 into D. D value is 5, which is equal to 24. So this will be 2A plus 10 into 5 is 50, which is equal to 24. Therefore 2A equal to 24. Let us shift this 50 to the right hand side. So this will be minus 50. Therefore 2A equal to 24 minus 50 is minus 26, right? So let us take this 2 to the right hand side. So this will become division. Therefore A is equal to minus 26 divided by 2. Therefore A is 2 1s are 2 3s are. So this will be 13. A equal to minus 13. Okay. So now we got D and A value. Now we can easily find this A1, A2, A3. So what is A1? A1 means the first term, that is minus 13. What is A2? A2 is A plus D. So what is A? A is minus 13 plus D is 5. So minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Okay. Next A3. A3 is A plus 2D. So what is A? A is minus 13 plus 2 into D. D is 5, which is equal to minus 13 plus 5 into 2 is 10. So minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3. Therefore, first 3 terms of the AP are, what is A1? Minus 13, A2 is minus 8 and A3 is minus 3, right?
I hope you understood. The PDF of the notes are available in my Telegram channel. Please join the channel. The link of the channel is in the description box below. Check out. Thank you.